Hello there guys, and welcome back to my leisure home. It is Shane here, and I'm just down at the Barkham Manor filming this beautiful 40x16 twin holiday home unit just behind us. Now this lodge, okay, is an Omar Snowdon. It's sited with decking and skirting with ramp access as well, priced at just $59,997 here at the Barkham Manor, which is a 12-month holiday park just on the outskirts of Skegness. As you can see, it's on a lakeside plot as well with free fishing for all owners. It's got a double car parking space as well. Comes with a 6-month warranty. Okay, full deep clean, jet wash, and all brand new tests. And you've even got a double car parking space. We'll go have a look around at the lodge now. Okay, so as you can see then, it's got a glass front on the decking. Steps over here as well to get to your lakeside fishing peg. As we see, as we go up then, it's got this nice big side. The sun sets on this side of the decking as well, so it'd be great to put your outdoor furniture just over here. There's your ramp access, but there's also steps at the front as well. And then as we come round then, you come in to this nice large side door. Got your 4-seater dining room table just here. Mirror over this side to check yourself as you come out and come in. Now we've got a single-seater recliner just over here and a 3-seater recliner just over there as well. Television is wall mounted in the centre, but obviously you could put it on a unit on the corner over there. Nice little cabinet just here. And then loads of windows, loads of doors. I've shut them blinds just to show you obviously how they work and what they are. They're nice heavy-duty blinds. They work on a slider that goes with the gradient of the lodge either side. And then that is your view out the front of the lodge there, look. Beautiful. So we've got a nice U-shaped kitchen. Loads of storage, loads of worktop space. Washing machine as well. Umpteen cabinets, look. Then you've got a stainless steel extractor. 5-hob gas cooker, grill and oven just below. And then you've got a 70-30 split fridge freezer just here. A few coat hangers. And a stainless steel sink that comes with these drainage bits when you're doing your veg and everything. Really, really good idea. Okay, so as we go through them, we'll have a look at the master room first. So you've got this nice large bed just here. Plug sockets there on the right hand side. Reading light switch at the left. Lovely reading lights. Loads of storage overhead. Then over here, then we've got a wall-mounted television, vanity table with your stool, drawers just there, and then just look at all this wardrobe space. Double wardrobe built in here, triple wardrobe built in here, look. And then we've got your ensuite shower room, so it's got a nice large end shower with the doors sliding, look. So 2 doors slide over, you've got shelving units in there as well. And then we've got a countersunk basin, tower radiator, and a mirror cabinet just above there as well. Over here then, we've got the guest bedroom, but it's got another large bed. Obviously we can change these to 2 singles upon request. Reading lights either side, loads of storage overhead again. And even more wardrobe space over here. So you've got 2 double wardrobes built in, drawer space in the middle, mirror in the centre with a place to wall mount a television just there. Plug sockets in the middle as well. Great feature of this one is this jacuzzi bath. Just look at the size of it. Even I could fit in there. And you've got mermaid board surrounding. Shower head just there as well. Shelving storage over here. Tower radiator. Countersunk basin and a mirror cabinet again as well. And the all-important shaver plug. Okay, so this is the Omar Snowdon and it is sited on the Barkham Manor. Just on the outskirts of Skegness, which is a 12-month holiday park. Okay, site fees included for 2026 for the rest of this season. 6-month warranty. And it's only $59,997. For any more information, contact Shane at myleisureHome.co.uk. Call me on 01754 252 889. Or on 07425 77 30 30. Thanks for watching, guys.